Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our video series on Korean homonyms. Words that sound the same but have completely different meanings. Many Korean learners, especially beginners, they get confused by these words. So today we are continuing with part 4 of the series where we look at 10 more Korean homonyms that you'll hear very often in daily Korean. Understanding these will not only improve your vocabulary, but it will also help you avoid misunderstandings and sound more natural when speaking Korean. So, if you have not watched the first 3 parts of the series yet, then I suggest you all to go and watch those videos because it is definitely going to improve your vocabulary skills, and at the same time you will get the knowledge of the different Korean homonyms to avoid any kind of misunderstanding. I'll share the link of the playlist consisting of all these videos on Korean homonyms in the description so that it becomes easier for you to have an access to all those videos. So now, stay with me till the end and let's make Korean a little less confusing. Let's begin. So here comes the first homonym, puja. Puja. There are 2 meanings of this Korean word. It can mean a rich person. Okay, a rich person in Korean is puja. And it can also mean father and son, the duo, father and son. Okay, they could also be referred as puja. Next comes chol. Chol. Again, this word has 2 meanings. Chol could mean season in Korean. There are 4 seasons, so chol could mean season. And it can also mean iron, the metal, iron. Alright, let's move ahead and see the next homonym, pearl. Pearl. This word has 2 meanings. Pearl could mean bee in Korean language, and it can also mean punishment. Okay, so pearl is a noun which could mean bee or punishment. Now you can see these are totally different words, right? But again, you don't have to worry about how you're going to identify when pearl means bee or when it means punishment, because of course, with the help of the context, the situation, it is very, very easy for you to identify when pearl means bee and when it means punishment. Okay, so just remember that this word has 2 meanings. Then it will be very easy for you to identify when to apply which meaning. Alright, now comes the next word, 자신. 자신. This has 2 meanings, oneself and confidence. Okay, so you refer to oneself or yourself or themselves as 자신, and the Korean word for confidence is also 자신. Next, 살. 살. This has 2 meanings. It means flesh or weight. Weight as in the fat. Okay, so flesh or the fat, that is called sal. And sal is also the counter for age. Okay, the counter word for age is also sal. We all know the concept of counters in Korean language whenever we have to count anything. So here, whenever we are counting age, we use sal. For example, it is a very popular Korean sentence. 몇 살이에요? What is your age, or how old are you? 몇 살이에요 is a very common question to ask someone how old are you in Korean language. Okay? Next comes the homonym tada. Tada. This means to ride or to board or to get on. For example, if you want to get on a bus or in a taxi, then you use this verb tada. And it can also mean to burn. Okay, and suppose the food gets burned, so tada is used in that case. Okay, it's a verb that means to ride or to board or to get on any kind of vehicle or to burn. Okay, next comes pan. Pan. Pan has two meanings. It can mean half. Okay, half of anything. And it can also mean class. A class is called pan. Okay, next comes the word tom. Tom. This means mole, the moles that we have on our body. And tom is also the Korean word for dot. A dot in Korean is called tom. Next is kamda. Kamda. It means to wash your hair, basically. So kamda is a verb which means to wash your hair. And it can also mean to close your eyes. Okay, to close our eyes. So kamda is a verb which means to wash hair or to close eyes. Next comes pull. Pull. It means fire or light. Okay, the lights that we have in our room. So pull has two meanings, fire and light. It is a noun. Okay, all right. So in this video we learned 10 Korean homonyms that are very commonly used in daily conversations. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.